If you've never heard of the brand Mecalac and its range of machinery, well, it's about time you hark up and pay attention. Mecalac's range of innovative machines have won the company countless awards on the global stage, and it's really not hard to see why. Case in point, its MCR range of excavators come compact track loaders can just about do anything you need to for a job. Dig, load, push, lift, you name it, these unique combo machines will take care of it.
Labeled a skid excavator by Mecalac, this machine is certainly something you don't see often on a typical job site.
It's 100% track loader, 100% excavator and 100% telehandler. It's designed from the ground up to be a full track loader, so you can flick the switch and drive it like a track loader, flick the switch, drive it like an excavator.
With its versatility, the Mecalac skid excavator effectively replaces 3 different machines on a job site, thus helping contractors save heaps on operation and maintenance costs. Perhaps one of its most prominent features is the speed it can achieve, a whopping 10 kilometers per hour. Combined with a body that can rotate 360 degrees, it shaves off a significant amount of time in stockpiling applications, for example.
As a track loader, we run a hydrostatic closed-loop track system, which is the same drive motors and same pumps as a normal track loader, where a conventional track loader is fixed here, and if you need the bucket to move left or right, the whole machine has to move. We're able to position the skid steer bucket quite uniquely, for example, at stretch, over top of objects, on the other side of a fence, and pick up material because we can take use of the boom compared to a normal track loader.
The MCR range of skid excavators is available in 6, 8, 10 and 15-ton models. The 6-ton 6 MCR model featured here is powered by a Tier 3 Deutz engine with an output of 75 horsepower.
It's about double the horsepower of a normal standard 5.5-ton excavator. So having the big engines used in excavator as well as in track loader, but primarily it's there to let that undercarriage work. The pumps for the undercarriage are completely separate to the pumps for the equipment. So we can be moving the boom around, running an attachment, anything really we want on the top, and it doesn't affect our travel speeds.
As an excavator, the MCR has superior lifting power over conventional excavators, according to Mecalac. The 6 MCR, in particular, is able to lift an impressive 2.8 tons at the front.
It's a 3-piece boom, so we can work more compact in closer to the machine, but we can also stretch at full reach and have an increased reach. Because we're 3 booms instead of 2, we have 3 short sticks doing the work of 2 long sticks, so they have significantly better breakout power through the ground.
If that's not enough, the Mecalac skid excavators also triple up as a telescopic handler with an impressive reach both above and below the machine.
So this will let you move pallets around very quickly, but we can also get up to 6 meters height with the pallet forks, and more importantly, -3 meters. So it's the only machine on the market we can drop pallets below ground level from -3 up to 6 meters through that whole range. We're certified with anti-drop valves, so we can't drop it.
A big comfy cab and suspension seat ensure operators don't get bogged down with aches and pains after a full day of digging or loading. Controls are straightforward for seasoned operators, and a flick on the dial in the cab switches the machine between skid steer and excavator mode. While the Mecalac skid excavators are dearer than other excavators or compact track loaders in the same weight category, the fact that they can effectively replace several machines in the fleet is money right back into the pocket.
So the MCR, normally compare it to a high quality machine in about the same size, you're looking at about 30% more expensive than the excavator, but 50% cheaper than buying both. If you're the type of customer that takes advantage of the machine's performance, that 30% is going to be money well spent. You really have to come and give it a test drive to believe us, because it's a really strong track loader and a really strong excavator. Once you've experienced it, you really can't go back.